Let's have a look at calibration of these. So, as I said before, if you take the windshield off, we have the microphone. We're using a standard calibrator that comes with the kit. Usually it calibrates at 114 decibels. You can also use other calibrators to calibrate it at 94 decibels, whichever one that you've got to hand. What we're going to do is I'll show you the calibration process. So you can calibrate it while it's in the dock, but what you can't do is calibrate these devices while they're actually running. And we'll start to run them in a minute. So what we're going to do is calibrate one of these. So you turn your calibrator on, pop it on, and what you'll find is when you look at that blue light, it'll go solid and then go out. So what it's done is it's automatically detected the calibrator, it's done a calibration, and if the blue light goes on solid while it's calibrating and then goes off again, you've got a good calibration. If you get a red light come up, then the calibration has failed in some way. And that's the way we've calibrated it on the docking station. You can of course calibrate it off the docking station. It's the same process. Turn this on, pop it straight on the top and look for the blue light. So it detects the calibrator's on, it'll go solid blue, and then a few seconds later it'll go out. There it goes. You've now calibrated your dose badge and you can turn the calibrator off. Pop the windshield on, and this is now ready to go.